slide is over there.
Look at the pond.
Her slide. That's a lot of water out there.
This is freaking crazy. Oh, I want it up here. Is our house gonna float away? Are you sure?
Yeah, it's come up way up. So the lizard.
What? Look at the water, baby girl.
Where'd your car go? Where's your car?
Where's my car? Say, where's my car?
There it goes.
There.
Is your car floating away?